Hello, good morning. So this is a new question I'm going to ask yourself. Find the positive square root of 19 plus 6 root 2. So how do we solve this? Find the positive square root. That simply means we are having the square root of the number, something like this. That means you have the square root of what? 19 plus 6 root 2 inside 6 root 2. Don't forget, the 6 root 2 is equal to. Now how do we solve this? It's very, very simple. So we're first of all going to assume that this particular question will have an answer something like square root of A plus square root of what? B. So this is the first assumption. Now from this is also that we can now lead this to. We will lead this to a particular concept that when you have root of A, let's say you have the root of A plus root of B all square. When you have root of A plus root of B all square, you'll be having, don't forget, you need to square this applying sum. You definitely have A plus B plus 2 root AB. So remember this. So we're going to be using this to solve this. So what we simply do is this. Since you're having 19 plus 6 root 2 plus root A plus root B, you will take the square of both sides. So that simply means we are going to be taking the square of this side and we take the square of this particular side. So by doing that, we end up having 19. That means this particular square will cancel this square. We have 19 plus 6 root 2 is now equals to what? All this, because we have squared this. So it's now equals to all this. So that's going to give us equals to what? A plus B plus 2 root what? AB plus 2 root AB. Now I'm getting this. Now what's next? We now do what is called comparison. We now compare. That simply means this is a whole number 19, and the only whole number we're having here is this particular A plus B. So that simply means 19 is equals to A plus B, and 6 root 2 is equals to 2 root AB. That gives us two equations. So that simply means A plus B is equals to 19, and that's our equation 1. And also, we have it as what? 2 root AB is equals to what? 2 root AB is equals to 6 root 2 is equals to 6 root 2. So from this, we divide both sides, you can divide both sides by 2. So if you divide here by 2 and we divide here by 2, 2 cancel 2. That simply means you'll be having root AB to be equals to what? This 2 in 6 is going to give us 3. It's equals to what? 3 root 2. Now after getting this particular 3 root 2, what's next? We can decide to just square both sides. If we square both sides here, like we square here, then we square here, that's going to give us 3 squared, that's 9, 9 times 2, that's going to give us 18. So that simply means A, B is equals to what? 18. And what? A plus B is equals to what? 19. So from looking at these particular numbers, is there any number when we multiply both, we'll be having 18, and when we add, we'll be having what? 19. So let's think. Or do we just go straight and find the number straight up? When we multiply, let's look at the products. Product of 18. That's 3 times 6, 18, 9 times 2. Okay. So it's a little bit quite difficult. So let's just apply the sort form as simple as that. So let's make A the subject here. By making A the subject here, we're having what? A is equals to what? 19 minus B. I think that this is easiest way. So you simplify this particular 19 minus B for A in this particular equation. That's going to give us B into 19 minus B is equals to what? 18. So after getting this, what's now next? So we'll now be having 19B. We have 19B minus B squared. It's now equals to what? 18. So this translates to B squared minus 19B plus 18 is equals to 0. So we now factorize these two numbers that when you multiply is going to give us what? Plus 18, and when you add it's going to give us minus 19. So that's definitely minus 18 and what? Minus 1. Minus 18 plus minus 1 is going to give us minus 19, and minus 18 times minus 1 is going to give us plus 18. That simply means you'll be having what? B squared. We have B squared minus 18B minus B plus 18 is equals to 0. So by the time you factorize out, you'll be having B into B minus 18, then minus 1 into what? B minus what? 18 is equals to 0. So that gives us, if you simplify it, that gives us B minus 1 and what? B minus what? 18 is equals to what? 0. So that gives us B, that gives us B is equals to 1 and B is equals to what? 18. As simple as that. So from this particular concept, we can now find what is our A. So that gives us, since b is equals to 1 and b is equals to 18, so in putting that particular numbers here, that means when b is 1, you notice that, okay, you can just bring it here. We have it as what? A plus, when b is 1, a plus 1 is equals to 19. So that gives us our a to be equals to what? 18. And when b is equals to 18, that means you have a plus 18 is equals to 19, and that gives us a is equals to 1. That simply means solution to this particular equation is simply going to be, since it's root of a plus root of b, that's going to be simply root of 1 plus what? Root of what? 18. That's simple as that. Now what's square root of 1? That's 1. So that's going to give us 1 plus square root of 18 is 3, 9 times 2. That's 3 root 2. That's 1 plus 3 root 2. Because it's going to be the same. So root of 18 plus root of 1 is going to be the same as root of 1 plus root of 18. And that brings us to the end of this particular word solution. So your assignment, don't forget, just solve this inside the comment section. So this is find the positive square root of 37 minus 4 to 75. And note that root of a minus root of b squared is equal to what? A plus b minus 2 3b. And don't forget to chat me up on WhatsApp for your online classes. Thank you. Bye.